Hi there, remember when I received this Gasteria plant from a young boy? His name is Matej from Bucharest, and has been a few months since I received this plant when I was in Bucharest, and it was grow more. As you can see, this leaf was a little, but in today's video I have to do repotting, and I noticed a new small leaf was started growing here, so I decided to repot, and I use this pot, not very big, but slowly I will repot and more big and big pot. So this is the same color as you can see, so interesting how it looks like, and just we will see how to take out this Gasteria plant from this pot, and then we'll see just this plant momently I growing outside, and it growing very strong, and leaves have and very thick. And let's do repotting video. First of all, I have to show you this plant close up. As you can see how beautiful on the leaves, and the tiny grow here, beautiful, amazing. And another leaf, it was grow since March, this one, and it was grow a lot during these months, so just it is amazing. And now have to take from this small pot, but will take easy. I have just to water a little bit, and then I will remove very easy. Let's do that. So the water squeeze, now easy we can remove this Gasteria plant from the pot. And here we go, such beautiful roots as you can see. Now I have to add potting soil on that pot and plant this wonderful plant. So I have to add soil here. I will use potting soil from the garden, also mix it with potting soil from the market, and have some sand a little bit and perlite. And let's start. I can see it fit very well, and now I have to add potting soil around it. Let's do that. So, well done, I finished planting. Have to water just a little bit. The pot is a little bit wet, and just not a lot, just a little bit. Ready, I am outside, it's very sunny, bright, and so this Gasteria plant have to keep outside during the summer time, and so beautiful. I repotted. This is the final result. Thanks for watching to the end. George was here. I will put somewhere as you can see I have space, and that's wonderful that I have a lot of space outside in summertime, and let it grow healthy, and we'll see update in the future. Stay tuned on my channel, subscribe if you want, and you will see another video with my plants. Bye bye.